18-year-old Nicole DeMoro suffers from OCD, Obsessive Compulsive Disorder. She's terrified of getting dirty or making others sick.
How many times a day are you washing your hands?
I would have to say 20 to 30 times, maybe more.
She's always thinking about, I gotta get these germs off.
She started taking medicine as a traditional therapy, but says the soft touch treatments that Dr. Jens Korgaard does are the answer that she's been searching for.
You've actually found that this type of chiropractic therapy seems to have a quicker and better result for you than the traditional medicines.
The first day, actually, when I had my first therapy session, it helped. My mom was with me, and she looked at me and was like, I have never seen you so relaxed. Like, it was an amazing feeling. Like, I had no worry at all.
There's no popping or cracking at his Newington office. Dr. Jen uses his hands and a special machine to put gentle pressure along the spine, no more than you could safely apply to your closed eyelid. It's called the Koren Technique. He's one of the only doctors in Connecticut to do it, and it helps release the muscle memory that we all carry of upsetting experiences.
As soon as she starts thinking about that pattern shows up in her body. Then I use another technique to figure out where that pattern is, and then I use this instrument to clear that pattern out of her body.
When we are upset and we're stressed or having anxiety, you can see that, sense that on her body, and then help release it?
Yes, and everybody has different patterns that will show up. Sense like 12 impulses per second, which is faster than her nervous system can register. So it's like hitting the reboot button on a computer. It kind of resets that pattern. It's really just helping the body do what it's supposed to do and help the body heal itself.
Right. Safe for me to put on my hand here?
Yeah. So you can feel like a gentle vibration.
Oh yeah, I mean, it feels like nothing. It feels like maybe sitting on a massage chair.
Nicole says she's now able to cut back on her medication.
Did you ever imagine that this would be so successful?
No. Not in the beginning, until my mom talked to me about it, and I was like, could this really help? And then once it happened, I was so amazed.
19-year-old Brittany Heresy from Ellington found relief after an accident on a four-wheeler left her with pain and panic attacks.
I was having panic attacks, having a hard time to breathe, and it was really affecting my day-to-day life.
For a 19-year-old young girl, her body physically, the way she acted and just carried herself was like a 90-year-old person.
Yeah.
It was sad, and she cried almost every day.
Brittany's mom didn't want her daughter to have to be dependent on strong painkillers and anti-anxiety drugs. But a scan of Brittany's back shows the problems. The green bars represent normal. Brittany was red with inflammation and pain. Then, after only one treatment with Dr. Jen's soft touch methods, Brittany says she felt an amazing difference.
I feel good, no migraines, no anxiety. I'm feeling good, and it was overnight. Overnight I changed. I felt the difference right when I left here.
Wow.